How to set a temporary profile picture on Facebook. Follow this step. Initially, start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. Then click on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From there, tap on your profile picture. Next, select Choose Profile Picture from the menu that appears. Here, choose the photo you wish to add as your profile picture. Once you pick your photo, look for Make Temporary option just below it. Then choose a duration according to your preference. Finally, hit the Save button to set your temporary profile picture. Your profile picture will automatically switch back once the time runs out. There you go. Now you know how to set a temporary profile picture on Facebook.